Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate YouTube on any smart TV. You will see the YouTube app on your TV. Just open it. I already have an account login here, but I will show you how to create and activate a new account. Now you can see here more different type of option, but you can click on add account. You will see an interface like this. There are two ways to activate YouTube on your TV. In this last video, I explained the activate code method. Today I will show you how to activate is using QR code. Now take your phone and open Google Lens. Scan the QR code that appears on your TV screen. A link will appear on your phone. Click on it. After that, select the email account you want to use to activate YouTube. You will see the same code on your phone. It's showing on your TV. So click on continue button. Again select the email and remember you cannot activate YouTube without use and email. So you want to need email. As soon as you allow the permission, your TV will show your email or your channel name. You can see here my channel name 3 Fun Bro. Click OK button. Your YouTube is successfully activated. This is a very easy process. For more video like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.